Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Mr. Decode. So guys, today we are discussing about high weightage topics which are coming in upcoming NEET examinations 2026 and 27. Okay, here are the main key points. So let's begin this video. Targeting high weightage chapters is essential for optimizing your score in NEET 2027. Based on previous year's exam patterns, trends, and the standard updated NTA syllabus, certain chapters consistently carry a higher percentage of questions across physics, chemistry, and biology. So, coming to biology, 360 marks, 50% weightage. Biology will carry 50% weightage. Biology is the rank deciding section. Most questions are strictly line by line from the NCERT text. So first one, genetics and evolution. Top chapters are principles of inheritance and variation, molecular basis of inheritance. So focus on cross problems, DNA RNA replication, transcription, translation, and Hardy Weinberg law. So next, human physiology. Top chapters are chemical coordination and integration, breathing and exchange of gases, body fluids and circulation, excretory products, locomotion and movement. So focus on disorders, hormone functions, and physiological pathways. So next, biotechnology and its applications. Focus on recombinant DNA technology, PCR, cloning vectors, and RNA interference. So next, coming to reproduction, the top chapters are sexual reproduction in flowering plants, human reproduction, reproductive health. Focus on gametogenesis, embryonic development, and floral structures. So next, ecology and environment. Top chapters are organisms and populations, ecosystem, biodiversity, and conservation. Focus on population interactions, ecological pyramids, and environmental issues. So, coming to cell structure and function, the top chapters are cell, the unit of life, cell cycle, and cell division, biomolecules. Focus on mitosis, meiosis phases, enzyme kinetics, and cell organelles. So coming to next subject, chemistry, it will carry 180 marks, 25% weightage. Chemistry is divided into three major branches, with organic and physical carrying heavy numeric and conceptual importance. So first one, organic chemistry. So the main chapters are aldehydes, ketones, and carboxylic acids. GOC, generic organic chemistry. Hydrocarbons, amines, organic compounds containing nitrogen. So focus on named reactions, acidity and basicity, comparisons, and reaction mechanisms. So next, physical chemistry. The main chapters: chemical equilibrium, ionic equilibrium, chemical kinetics, solutions, electrochemistry. Focus on direct formula applications, pH calculations, and colligative properties. So coming to inorganic chemistry, the main chapters are coordination compounds, P block elements, D and F block elements, chemical bonding and molecular structure. Okay, so focus on VS-E pair theory, hybridization, coordination, isomerism, and periodic property trends. So coming to third one, physics subject, it carries 180 marks, 25% weightage. Physics requires strong conceptual clarity and regular numerical practice. Class 12 topics generally fetch a slightly higher share of questions. So first one, mechanics, class 11 foundation. The main chapters: laws of motion, work, energy and power, system of particles and rotational motion, gravitation. Focus on conservation laws, moment of inertia and Kepler laws. So next, electrodynamics. Main chapters are current, electricity, moving charges and magnetism, electrostatic potential and capacitance, electromagnetic induction, EMI. Focus on Kirchhoff laws, potentiometer, capacitor, network problems, ampere law. So next, optics. The main chapters are ray optics and optical instruments, wave optics. Focus on lens or mirror maker formula, prism deviations, and Young's double slit experiment, YDSC. So next, modern physics. The top chapters are dual nature of matter and radiation, atoms, nuclei. Focus on photoelectric effect equations, radioactive decay, and mass energy relations. So next, thermodynamics and kinetic theory of gases, KTG. Focus on laws of thermodynamics, thermodynamic processes, adiabatic, isothermal, and RMS velocity. So next, current trend additions, semiconductor electronics, logic gates, diodes, and transistors yields easy consistent questions every year. So students, smart preparation strategy for NEET 2027. So priority is the 80-20 rule. Roughly 70 to 80% of the NEET question paper stems from these recurring high weightage topics. Finish them first before moving to niche another chapters. Okay. So master NCERT line by line. For biology and inorganic chemistry, treat NCERT as your ultimate textbook. Okay. Analyze previous year questions. Practice at least last 5 to 10 years of NEET papers to understand how concepts are repeatedly reframed. So guys, this is the end of the video. Okay, we have discussed about the weightage topics which are coming in NEET examinations. Okay, so these are the important basic chapters you need to learn and practice. So guys, I am ending this video. So thank you one and all.